This is how we fix low back pain at our office. Now let me show you how we find exactly where to adjust it. First I scan her back for temperature differential, and we get the results that look just like this. Next, we scan the muscles to look for any muscle imbalance, and the results look like this. And it's also important to feel on her back muscles to feel any imbalance and where she's experiencing pain. So that's how we find back pain and how we fix back pain at our office. My name is Dr. Eric Duncan. I am the Wellness Doc, and if you want to see more videos like this, wellness related, hit that subscribe button below.